Coming only to movie theaters this 1992 holiday season, the newest Disney animated classic from Walt Disney Pictures.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho.
From the beginning, the magic of Disney animation has taken us to the far horizons of our imagination. From a puppeteer's workshop to Never Never Land, from the heart of the jungle to the bottom of the sea, to an enchanted castle. We've shared experiences we'll always remember. Now, Disney animators are about to take us on a mythical magic carpet ride to a place we've never been before with their 31st full-length animated feature, Aladdin. The legend of Aladdin wouldn't be complete without a magic lamp, and that lamp wouldn't be special without a magical genie.
What would you wish of me?
This musical spectacular features an exciting new score by the Academy Award-winning songwriters of The Little Mermaid and Beauty and the Beast.
Well, Alibaba had them 40 thieves, Scheherazade had 1,000 tales.
Don't miss the unforgettable adventure of Aladdin, coming only to theaters for the 1992 holiday season from Walt Disney Pictures.
You never had a friend like me.
At last, after 4 years in production, comes the crowning achievement in Disney animation and storytelling. The Rescuers.
Look out! Here she comes!
A bold new adventure.
Where is she? Where is she? You get down there and find the big diamond, or you will never see that Teddy again. That poor little girl.
We gotta find her and help her.
Meet a cast of captivating new Disney characters.
This emergency meeting of the International Rescue Aid Society is now in session. As you know, our society has never failed to answer a call for help.
Oh, Mr. Chairman, please may I have this assignment?
Bernard and Bianca, two secret agents on a date with destiny. And Orville, the albatross, an airline pilot on the skids.
Are you hurt, sir?
Nope. One of my better landings, bud.
Evinrude, the outboard dragonfly.
Poor Evinrude. Your carburetor is all pooped out.
With the voices of Geraldine Page.
I've got to have the devil's eye.
Bob Newhart.
Holy mackerel, that's it!
And Ava Gabor.
The devil's eye.
You'll see action, dazzling adventure. Here is all the warmth and charm of Disney animation at its best.
Mayday! Mayday!
Walt Disney Productions, The Rescuers.
What's happening?
Do they want us now?
We are going to have us a rip snorting fight.
You absolutely, positively must see The Rescuers.
Or else.
Be sure to stay tuned after our feature for a special look at something new and different from Buena Vista Home Video.
And now, our feature presentation.